Hello and welcome to BrainLinker. I am Vishnu Radhanpura. In the previous video, I had discussed about overview of history and why Java is developed. In this video, I am going to discuss about compiling and running fast Java program. Currently, I am using Notepad++ for demonstration. There are Java IDEs available such as NetBeans, Eclipse. You can use them. Before creating fast Java program, make sure you have JDK Java Development Kit installed on your computer. If you haven't, then I already given link in the description where you can find step-by-step guide to install JDK and configuring class path. If you don't know whether JDK is installed on your computer or not, then you can check it out by opening the command prompt and typing Java C in Windows environment. If command prompt is flooded with options such as class path D, S, H, it means you already have JDK installed on your computer. If you get Java C is not recognized as internal or external command, then you does not have JDK installed on your computer and you will need to install it. Let us start the journey of Java programming by a simple Hello World program. First in program is comment section. It is an optional section which includes the information that you want to provide which only programmer can read. It means it is not visible to the user side. Comments are added with the purpose of making the source code easier for humans to understand. Sometimes it is very useful to comment your actual programming code for the debugging purposes. Comments are ignored by compiler and does not get executed. You can write comment by double forward slash for single line comment. This is fast Java program is a single line comment, and for multi lines you can use forward slash star to indicate start of your comment and star forward slash to end your comment. This is multi-line comment is a multi-line comment. There are other sections such as package statement, import statement, which I will cover in later video. For now, just focus on this program. As Java is object-oriented language, everything in Java is class and object based. Class provides a blueprint from which objects are created. Class includes data members and member functions, and also naming a class is very important task. Java uses a naming convention called camel case. It is a standard naming convention for identifiers. It comes in two varieties. First is upper camel case, generally used for class name, as you can see in the example hello world. The convention says class name always starts with capital letter. After that, all small letters. If your class name has multiple words, then each first letter of every word is capital with no spaces included. The second is lower camel case, generally used for variables and method names. The convention says name always starts with word in small letters. If your name has multiple words, then each first letter of every word is capital except first word with no spaces included. The example is next.int, the method of scanner class. It is good practice to use camel case in naming your identifiers. It is called camel case because it looks like humps of camel. If you have background of C or C++, you are familiar with main function. Main function is entry point from where execution of program starts. Print function is used to display message. Generally it is attached with console window by default. Every Java program has .java extension. File name must be same as the public class name without any case difference. Now let us apply what we have studied in this video. This is first Java program. This is single line comment. Now multi-line comment. Now public class hello world. Now it's time for main method. Public static void main string argument. Don't bother about the static and string arguments. I will explain it in later videos. It's time for the print method. System.out.print hello world and semicolon. We have to save this file. File must be same as public class name, and don't forget about the .java extension. In order to execute this program, we have to open command prompt pointing to the directory in which this Java file resides. To compile your Java program, write java c and file name. Now our file is converted into the .class file. Here you can see it contains the bytecode. Now in order to execute bytecode, you have to write java command and class name. Here you can see our message hello world. In the later video, I am going to discuss about data types, variables and other stuff. Until then, this is Vishnu Radhanpura signing off. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe us. Goodbye.